Ever wondered how a simple trick could be the difference between danger and safety? In moments of crisis, knowing a few essential survival hacks could literally save your life. First up, consider the power of duct tape. This unassuming tool is a powerhouse in emergencies. If you find yourself with a minor leak during a storm, duct tape can temporarily seal the breach, buying you precious time. Also, in a pinch, it can be used to secure bandages or create a makeshift sling. Moving on, let's talk about the importance of water purification. In a situation where your water supply might be compromised, knowing how to purify water is critical. Boiling is the most straightforward method. Boil water for at least 1 minute to kill most pathogens. If you lack a heat source, using household bleach is another effective method. Add about 16 drops of regular household liquid bleach to 1 gallon of water, stir, and let it stand for 30 minutes. Next, if you're caught in a tornado, as many might be during certain seasons, knowing where to shelter is crucial. Avoid windows and seek shelter in a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of your building. Cover yourself with thick padding or a mattress for protection against debris. Here's a hack that's particularly useful if you're outdoors and lost, creating a signal fire. Start by finding a clear spot, then create a large X on the ground using rocks or logs. Build your fire in the center of the X. The smoke will alert rescuers to your exact location. To recap, using duct tape for emergency repairs, purifying water with bleach or boiling, knowing safe spots during a tornado, and signaling for help with a fire are invaluable skills. These simple life hacks aren't just clever tricks, they are essential knowledge for protecting yourself and your loved ones in unexpected situations. Stay prepared, stay safe, and remember, knowledge is your best tool in any emergency.